Cornwall regional crisis. Workers tell tales of suffocating, itching and choking. This evening on Primetime News, exclusive interviews from staff left sick by fumes. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, bushwhacked, a new chapter in the debushing debate.
That's right. Details of the divisions. The PNP claims the JLP spent money to court voters. Then later on, star performer.
Agriculture leads growth. Details of a Planning Institute briefing.
Defined while the Agriculture Minister is defending dismissing a board.
In the business day, job cuts. Digicel Group to axe 25% of its workforce worldwide.
There is also the health report, sports, post commentary and weather in the primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
The Jamaican economy has been growing over the past 2 years. How have you personally benefited from this growth?
Share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet @televisionjam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.